There's not a sexier CNC on the market, period.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Vlogmas!
Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Griffin, and this is Griffin Projects, day number 4 of Vlogmas, where I do a video every single day from the 1st of December to the 25th of December. Last year, not a really good showing because I didn't make it all the way through, but this year I am in it to win it, so make sure you're subscribed. That's very important. We have so much to do. Yeah, we're going to be talking about this. Don't worry. It's coming. But first, I need to tell you about an awesome company that's right here in Chicago, and that is DFM Toolworks. It is a badass company owned by a badass guy making badass tools that are just super, super high quality. I am not sponsored. Don't. This is just my opinion, okay? This is just a badass tool. There's not one project I do without this bad boy. So I got an email and I was like, you know what? I have to bring it up because I love it, okay? I'm going to leave a link down below. If you're looking for a gift or you just need like a super accurate USA made right here in Chicago, make sure you check out DFM Toolworks in the link down below. But now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Yes, this bad boy. It's the Inventables X-Carve Pro 4x4. The 4x4 meaning 4 feet by 4 feet of cutting capacity. And let me just tell you, the thing is awesome. Okay, just straight away, and I love it. I mean, there's not a sexier CNC on the market, period. Of course, it's not just about looks here. The freaking specs on this thing are awesome. The frame is powder coated aluminum. It uses 1-inch diameter ball screws on linear guides. Like, the accuracy is at 1/1000th of an inch, okay? The spindle is variable. Like, it's just, let me just tell you, this thing is freaking awesome. And that's why we're going to talk about it today. Who is this thing for? It's a little spendy, okay? I'm not going to lie. The price is real, but so are the specs and the build quality and the fact that you can be up and going within the afternoon. The marketing material says 4 hours. I mean, I suppose you could put this together in 4 hours. Like, for real though. Like, maybe even less than 4 hours. Me solo, dude, I was up and going that afternoon, being one person. Now, don't get me wrong, putting the gantry up, that was okay, I digress. I'm sorry. So who is this machine for? I can think of like 3 really solid profiles of people that this machine would be like a no-brainer for. And the first one would be a business that hasn't hopped into CNC yet, but is and does want to, but they're kind of new. Okay, they haven't done it yet. So if you have a company, you're like making guitars, you want this to carve out like blanks for the guitar, you have a furniture company, you want to make a bunch of legs, you're a small cabinet shop and you want to do small runs of cabinet. Like this machine is so capable at such a high accuracy, and it's just, let me just tell you, the first person is just new to CNC, hasn't jumped on the CNC boat yet, but really wants to and doesn't want to upgrade right away, wants a machine that's perfectly capable and can be up and running same day. The second person or company that I think that this would be good for is a newer to CNC, just needs the accuracy though, like wants to get a CNC that, like maybe you're a hobbyist, maybe you're a small furniture builder and you want to put it to work, like you just want the accuracy, you don't want to have to upgrade, you don't see a need for a 4x8 anytime soon, like you just need an accurate, awesome, sexy CNC and you're kind of new to it, you just want something that works, okay? Like if you're a Festool user, you know what I'm saying? I rest my case. That would be the second person, the hobbyist, the maybe small business, the side hustle. You don't need 4x8. You don't have the space for it anyways, but the 4x2 or the 4x4 has the accuracy. You're like, without a doubt. The last, but definitely not like the last ever, but like the last one that I was thinking about is a company that already has CNC. Like if you have like 2, 3, 4 CNC beds, 4x8s, 5x10s, whatever. Like sometimes there comes a time in those production shops, you just need to do a small this or small that, or you need to replace like one small part. And like, it just doesn't make sense to be running that on a 4x8 or a 5x10. But You need something that just works. I think you see there's kind of a theme here, is that this thing is just accurate, awesome, and it just works. And don't even get me started on Inventables customer service. It's second to none. It's first class. It's all the, A+, like boom, boom, boom. Like they are that good. You're setting it up. You need something. You call up tech support. Armani answers. You're like, hey, what's up? I need help with this. He's like, dude, I got you. And they do. They're that good. Like, I can't say enough about how awesome their customer service is. Those are the three main people that I see this machine being phenomenal for. Now, there's probably way more use cases. If you personally have been thinking about getting the xcarve Pro 4x4 and you just want someone else's opinion, hit me up in the comments down below and let me know your questions, your concerns, your thoughts. And I'll let you know straight up what I feel about it, or if I think like your use case makes sense. Wait. Before I go, though, I need to ask you about this. The 3M Extract Cubitron 2 sandpaper. Like, have you used this? I personally haven't yet. That's why I'm asking. If you've used it, make sure you let me know down below. I've watched Jonathan Katz's video where he uses like robots to test sandpaper, which for one, I never thought I would watch like this long video about testing sandpaper. What the hell? You know what I'm saying? Like, how did I do it? But your maker, you use a lot of sandpaper, you're like, which one's best? Like, I never thought in a million years that I would care this much about sandpaper, but I do. That's why I bought it. Spoiler alert, this pretty much is changing the game. But if you watch it down below, I'd love to hear what you had to say about it too. It seemed like Jonathan Katz, I don't know him personally or anything, but like even he was just like, I can't even believe I'm taking it to this level. But yeah, I'm taking it there and I'm showing you. I'm showing you which one's the best, and we're using the best method, and I'm just freaking crushing it. And yeah, I'm talking about sandpaper. Like I said, I don't know him, and the test was totally legit. Definitely worth checking out. 3M Extract Cubitron 2. Let me know if you tried it down below. And that's it for today, day 4 of Vlogmas. If you like this video, make sure you like it down below. That really does help me out. If you want to join me, we're going to talk a lot more about this machine. My tips and tricks of using this machine coming up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And with that, I will see you tomorrow.